what's good? It's your boy Jaden, back at again with another video. So starting this vlog off, we're in the Turbo Starlet right now. And in today's video, we're going down to Cabra because there'll be a bit of a meet there. So hopefully we can cruise it with some of the Cabra boys. But the reason why we're in the Starlet right now is because the person who won the giveaway doesn't live too far away. So I thought I'd jump in the Starlet and deliver the muffler to him myself. So at least that way we can meet the bloke as well. So I guess we better get going. I have not driven this car in a week. Hey, still starts. But we just loaded up the muffler, so let's hit the road. Bro, this car. There we go. I'm pretty excited to drive this car, it's been so long. I think it's probably a good idea to call him before we rock up to his house. So let's give the bloke a bit of a call right now. Hey bro. Yo, it's Jaden.
Yep.
Are you free now? Cause I can come past and drop it off quickly.
Yeah, I'm at home.
Yeah, alright, sweet. I'll see you probably in about, I'd say, 15 minutes.
Yep, no worries.
Alright, yeah, I'll see you soon, dude.
Yeah, bye.
Alright, bye. Alright boys, let's go drop off a muffler. I don't know how much time we have left driving the Turbo Starlet because I do plan on selling this car soon. I mean, this car makes me so happy driving, but it's really not a good idea owning two cars. I'm gonna miss all the late night Macca's runs in this car, and that dose though. They say that I changed cause I got money, well that's news to me. Cause through all the bullshit that they do, I still stay true to me. And that's truthfully, all the lies and the scrutiny, all the times that they used to be talking out of my name, now they wanna come around but they ain't new to me. I used to think you was everything, now you're not even cool to me. I used to think you was everything, yeah that's how it used to be. That I didn't try to make time, I guess time away. Hey bro, yeah, I'm just outside.
Okay. Do you want to drive down the driveway or do you want me to meet up top?
Whatever's easier. I'm just at the top right now.
Oh, I'll meet you at the top.
Alright, yeah, no worries, dude. Alright, see ya. Bye.
Be there in a second.
Bye. Alright boys, this is one of the first times meeting one of my subscribers in real life, so I don't even know what to expect. Here we have my mate Harley. How you going, bro? Just met this bloke. Well, here's the muffler, bro. Here's the Turbo Starlet right here.
Yeah.
Here you go, my bro.
Thanks for that.
All goods, dude. Bro, is this the first time winning a giveaway?
Yes, it is actually.
Bro, that's crazy. We out here giving away things. But yeah, bro, thanks for your support and stuff, right, man. I really appreciate it. Well, I'll leave you to it. What are you going to put it on?
A VF Commodore.
VF Commodore, bro. Now, it'll be pretty gangster.
Should be.
It should be. But yeah, bro, thanks for your support, man. I appreciate it. Well, I guess I'll leave you to it, bro.
Yeah.
Catch you on the flip side, dude.
Yeah.
Alright, see ya, bro. And that's the muffler giveaway done. When X-Force sent me out that muffler, I honestly could have put it on the Sportivo or even the Turbo Starlet. But giving it away to someone who really appreciates it definitely means a lot more than me putting it on my Sportivo. That's for sure. And you guys heard the bloke, he's gonna put on his straight piped Commodore. So we just did the whole of Western Sydney a favour, because there's gonna be one less Mang machine around. But anyways, I just made it back home right now. So I need to go get ready and head down to Cabra Car Wash. But the real question is, do we take the Turbo Starlet or do we take the white 03? I say we take the white 03 today and save this car for the next car meet. But yeah, I'm gonna go get ready now, so I'll talk to you guys later.
One eternity later.
Oofed. We got a few boys out here. Hey bro. We got Andy. Watch this wide body 86. Yo. How you doing, bro?
What's up, boys? So cold, that's what you call me. Call your phone when I
told me that you missed the old me. After I hit it, I did not want you to hold me, nah. You asking me what is the issue? Calling my Uber cause I don't wanna be with you. Trust me when I tell you this ain't nothing against you. I got some problems that I don't wanna get into.
Yo, this EG though. Oof, everyone's coming down now, boys. Everyone's parked up now, so about to go on a cruise real quick. Alright, let's go. Yeah, bruh. Yo, we got all the boys out here. Rexy's, S15, car mates in the area.
The next day.
Morning guys, so it's currently the next day right now and I'm just chilling in the Starlet. We're really just out here parked up at Macca's car park. But anyways, I just woke up, so I thought it'd be a good day to go for a cruise and shoot the Starlet, so let's go. Right now we just made it to Prospect Reservoir. It's actually a pretty nice place to go. Like, look at these trees, boys. But yeah, I thought I'd come here and get a quick edit of the Starlet. Oof, how are we gonna make it up this gutter without scraping? Very slowly, I'd assume. Oh, we made it up. Let's go. Alright, let's make a quick edit.
My kindness is both a gift and curse. They were trying to knock me down for trying to make it work. All I'm trying to do is go and get what I deserve. But at least I know the truth is in my heart and that's for certain. Ooh, you don't see behind the curtain. People that I used to know trying to chase the Birkin. Bitches in my DMs that I knew that used to curve me. People I don't know on my Instagram lurking. Waiting for me to slip up. And if it wasn't love back then, it ain't love. Funny how they all so quick to change up. There is not a soul in this world I can't trust.
It's Joey! FDA reppin'. Alright guys, so on the way back home right now, and I hope that edit turns out good. I know the edit will probably turn out to be 30 seconds, but just know it took me like an hour to record. Like, sometimes I wish I had a cameraman so I could get different angles and stuff. Like, even yesterday, I couldn't even record anything. But just know guys, I'm gonna try my best with whatever I've got. I know a lot of people wouldn't understand, but it is kind of hard making 2 new videos every week. So a lot of people be saying, oh, Jaden just drives shit boxes and all he knows how to do is service cars. But as long as you try your best to make it work with what you got, I say keep going and be yourself. But that's pretty much it for today's video, so if you enjoyed, be sure to hit that like button, make sure you subscribe if you're new, and maybe leave a comment down below. Till next time guys, peace.
It's getting kinda late now. I should probably go home. I got way too lit last night. Still ended up on my own.